Hi, I'm Warren Brusser, a property investor and coach. I help people invest in high-yielding property portfolios within the United Kingdom. Why the UK? Well, personally, as well as through a lot of what other investors have shared with me, it's all around diversification of wealth, the ability to generate passive income through your investments, investing in a currency that's strong, and lastly, and one of the key reasons that stands out for me is also the stable economy. I'm going to be your next guest speaker at the SA Property Investors Network in Cape Town on the 12th of May at 6:30 in the evening till 10. Look forward to seeing you there. Please click on the link for further information. To share a little bit further of what I'm going to be talking about in the evening is going to be about why the UK market. Well, firstly, it's all around affordability. It's about the prices people want to pay for properties relative to the income that they earn. I'll review interest rates, as that's a key criteria to looking at funding your assets within the UK. I'll look at the demand for housing, and one of the key factors that's going to be driving the UK market over the next couple of years. I'll be looking at the employment levels inside the UK economy. And lastly, I'll be touching on the reasons why the rental demands look so appealing together with the demand for high tenants. All these factors are all boding well for a great opportunity to invest in the UK. What I've further decided to do is also share my personal investment strategy, the areas that I'm investing with, and also the type of the type of properties that I'll be investing in. Some great key tips. Look forward to seeing you there.